In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up email forwarding using the Hostinger hPanel. This is a useful feature that enables you to automatically redirect your incoming emails from one email address to another, which can significantly streamline your email management process, especially if you use multiple email accounts. First, you'll need to log into your Hostinger hPanel. If you haven't already, navigate to Hostinger's login page and enter your credentials. Remember to ensure that your credentials are entered carefully to avoid any login issues. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the home dashboard. This is where you can access all of Hostinger's settings and features. It can be a bit overwhelming at first glance, but no worries, we'll guide you through everything you need. The next step is to locate the email section. This is typically found on the left sidebar of your dashboard. Click on email and a drop-down menu will appear. From the drop-down options, find and click on forwarders. This section is specifically designed to help you manage email redirection easily and effectively. In the forwarder section, you'll want to look for the Add Forwarder button. Clicking on this will open a new form that allows you to set up your email forwarding. Take a moment to gather the email addresses you'll be using, as you'll need both a source email address and a destination email address. The source email address is the one you want to forward emails from, while the destination email address is where you want those emails to be sent to. Once you've sorted out the necessary information, go ahead and enter the source email address in the appropriate field, followed by the destination email address in the next field. This setup is crucial to ensure that your emails are forwarded correctly, so double check that both email addresses are spelled correctly and entered in the right fields. After you've filled in both email addresses, the final step is to save your settings. You can typically do this by clicking a save or update button, which is generally located at the bottom of the form. Make sure to wait for the confirmation message indicating that your changes have been successfully saved. This confirmation will tell you that the forwarding is set up and ready to go. There you have it. With just a few simple steps, you've successfully set up email forwarding with Hostinger hPanel. Now, all emails sent to your source address will automatically be redirected to your designated destination address, helping you manage your communications more efficiently. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out our other tutorials for more tips on optimizing your email experience.